Alright, so I was doing a timing belt replacement on my 95 Talon, and I was trying to get this motor mount back on, and I was having a hell of a time getting this thing back on. But the first thing you gotta do is raise this engine up as high as you can. You gotta take off this motor mount, and then, jack it up underneath the oil pan there. And then you got to slide this thing sideways underneath the idler pulley and the belt and squeeze up against this wall. I'd use a rag so you don't bend up or scratch up the paint. And so once you get it that far, you gotta kind of like pull this bolt out, and you got to get it in between this indent from the frame. It's kind of hard to see on my camera, but it indents for this bolt and it rubs right up against it, and you got to ride that ass like fucking no tomorrow to get that into the engine block's threads, because there's like an inch of thread out from the engine block and the bolt is too long, so you run into it and it causes none of this stuff to line up and you can't get bolts into there. And yeah, it's a hell of a time, but I couldn't find anything on the internet, so I decided maybe somebody could find this useful for when they do it. So hopefully it helps, and thanks for watching.